Let's be honest, most of us were taught how to solve math equations, memorize historical dates, and write essays in school. But when it comes to money, freedom, and real-life wealth building, the system left us clueless. If you feel stuck in a 9-to-5 cycle, working hard but never feeling ahead, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down what school failed to teach you about money and how you can finally escape the rat race. Let's dive in. Forget what school taught you about trading time for money. The wealthy build systems that earn even when they're not working. Think businesses, investments, digital products, real estate. A YouTuber gets paid for last year's video. A landlord earns rent on vacation. That's passive income, your ticket out of the rat race. So, are you ready to start building your system? School taught us to save, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. Inflation eats away at your savings every year. Putting money in a savings account is like hiding it under a mattress. What you weren't taught: your money must grow through investing. Start small. Invest in index funds. Buy dividend stocks. Learn about ETFs, REITs, and crypto carefully. Even $5 a day invested can turn into thousands over time. Thanks to compound interest, something schools never explained well. Ready to make your money work for you? We were taught that a job gives you stability. But if the last few years have taught us anything, it's this: your job can disappear overnight. A true escape from the rat race means building multiple income streams, so you're not dependent on a single paycheck. You don't have to quit your job today, but start something on the side that could grow into something bigger. Freelancing or consulting, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, online businesses. Your job is not financial security. Debt isn't always bad, but misunderstanding it is. Most people leave school thinking all debt is bad. That's not true. There are two kinds of debt. Bad debt is credit cards, car loans, is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Good debt is mortgages for rental properties, business loans, or investments that bring money in. School never taught us how to use leverage, using other people's money to grow your own. The rich use debt smartly. Poor people avoid it entirely or use it poorly. Learn the difference. Your mindset around money matters. Most of us grew up hearing things like, money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. We can't afford that. Ever feel like there's never enough? That's a scarcity mindset. To break free, shift to an abundance mindset. Believe there's always a way to earn more. Money is a tool, not evil. You deserve financial freedom. Mindset isn't fluff, it's the foundation of every financial decision. Assets versus liabilities. The wealth game changer. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. A new car? Liability. A rental apartment? Asset. A smartphone? Liability unless it makes you money. Shift your mindset. Change your financial future. Want to escape the rat race? Focus on buying assets, not liabilities. Start small. Stocks, digital content, rental property. Watch your income grow. Financial freedom is about control, not just money. It's about having control over your time. If your bills are $2,000 a month and your passive income is $2,500 a month, you're already free. It's not about millions. It's about building income streams that cover your lifestyle. That's how you break free from the 9-to-5 trap. Here's what they didn't teach us in school. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about having control over your time. If your bills are $2,000 a month and your passive income is $2,500 a month, you're already free. It's not about millions. It's about building income streams that cover your lifestyle. That's how you break free from the 9-to-5 trap. Here's your new curriculum. Learn how money really works. Start investing early even with small amounts. Build assets and passive income streams. Focus on financial education, not just information.